Hi there! In this video, we will guide you through GrainFox's Smart Advisor. As the core of GrainFox's platform, Smart Advisor uses your farm details combined with current and historical market data to deliver data-driven, tech-powered sales recommendations that are personalized to your specific farm business needs and goals. Using Farm Profile, Cash Flow Planner, and Risk Profile, you can enter the core farm details that will ultimately help you make better sales decisions. These include your crop portfolio mix, cash flow goals and needs, storage constraints, and risk tolerance. Let's get into it. Before we go into Smart Advisor, it's a good idea to make sure you have your farm profile data up to date in GrainFox. We understand there are a lot of digital platforms on the market, and chances are you're using one or more of them. GrainFox has a growing library of integration partners to help make the process of importing your data into GrainFox easier and more efficient for you. Partners include Decisive Farming by TELUS Agriculture, Ag Expert, and John Deere, to name a few. If your data exists on a platform not currently integrated with GrainFox, we can help you export your data and import it into GrainFox with ease. Now, let's get into the demo. To begin, you're going to log into your GrainFox account and navigate to Smart Advisor. You can see where I am is the dashboard. I'm going to open up the menu bar and click Smart Advisor. Again, we suggest creating your farm profile and ensuring that your commodities are pre-filled, enabling seamless input of commodity information when you begin utilizing Smart Advisor. So before GrainFox can start giving you personalized recommendations, the system needs to know which commodities you want to market. If your farm profile is already filled out, like ours is, you'll see the list of selected crops from your farm profile, and the commodity production will be inputted automatically. However, if it's not filled out, you'll need to enter the data manually, import it manually, or import the data through one of our integration partners if you have an account with them. To enter it manually, start adding the commodities you want to include, along with the amounts, then click Continue. From there, you can select the commodities you want Smart Advisor to use. We have them already pre-selected, as you can see, so I'm going to click Continue. It pre-populates with the production amounts as mentioned, and we're going to click Continue. Now, this gives us our first level of personalization, as it's just taken in all of our commodities. Next, the second level of personalization is all about cash flow goals. You can see on the side here under your profile, we're currently sitting at personalization level 1 because it's only commodities. And you can see add cash flow goal, or if you scroll down a bit further, under your commodities, you'll see cash flow goals. We're going to click add cash flow goal now. You're going to select a goal name, put in an amount, and a target date. Click Save. This helps Smart Advisor generate personalized sales recommendations based on your specific goals you have. You can see here that it'll show your progress. Now, on to level 3, and scrolling down, we get into storage constraints. You can either extract this information from your farm profile or enter it separately here by clicking the Add Storage Constraint. You add in the constraint name, the commodity that it applies to, the amount you'd like to move, and by which date. For example, for this one, we'll say the end of the month. Then click Save. Adding storage constraints helps you effectively manage inventory levels. Smart Advisor takes your storage limitations into consideration when generating personalized sales recommendations. Now, the last level is Smart Advisor's deepest level of personalization. It's the risk profile. This is a psychometric survey quiz on GrainFox used to determine your level of risk tolerance. Do you like to take risks with the potential for higher returns, or do you prefer to play it safe? It's important to note that you can only do this quiz once, so make sure you answer it as accurately as possible. To get started, click the Take Questionnaire button. The Risk Profile Questionnaire consists of 10 questions. Once you've finished answering, click on the Submit button. I'm going to go ahead and fill this out now so that you can see what a completed profile looks like. As you can see, I fell into the average category for risk tolerance. Now we can go back to our Smart Advisor. You'll see here that we've reached the maximum level of personalization and the risk profile has been added. It's that easy. In case of any alterations to the production commodity value within your farm profile, you can easily update these changes in Smart Advisor. To synchronize the modifications, go to the commodity section, select the three-dot icon corresponding to the commodity you wish to sync, click on Sync, then Confirm. GrainFox will synchronize the commodity value based on the information in your farm profile. That concludes the step-by-step guide on how to set up Smart Advisor. If you're interested in exploring Smart Advisor further and would like a one-on-one demo, feel free to reach out to our dedicated customer success team, or you can check out the other video called How to Use Smart Advisor in the video help section on GrainFox. Thanks for joining.